To use sound equalizer of Sony WH-1000XM6, first of all just open the Sony application and you will have to go into My Device on the left bottom corner and click on this arrow next to the ambient sound control. So now we'll open the device settings, and as you can see the equalizer is right here. If it is unavailable, then go into the listening mode and switch into the standard one. Now go back and click on this arrow to expand, and as you can see we can find the default presets and the manual and the custom presets. So if you want to customize them, click on the settings icon, and now by moving this dots up and down you can just set up frequencies up to your preferences. And now we can just go back. You can also do this with default presets. So if I'm gonna change it, it will actually move me to the manual preset. So as you can see, that's how it actually works, and thanks for watching.